Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to study most important activity, the activity number 6. It is related to the equation Q is equal to ms delta t. 4 times asked in final examinations, public examinations, 6 times asked in summative examinations, and 4 times asked in pre-final examination. By this you can sense how much important this activity and this question is. On the day of experiment, try to take a beaker with 250 grams of water. Try to take a beaker with 250 grams of water and another beaker with 1000 grams of water. With the help of thermometer, measure the temperatures. Make sure that beaker A and beaker B have got the same temperature. See, on the day of experiment, try to take 2 beakers, one beaker with 250 grams of water and another beaker with 1000 grams of water, and try to measure the temperatures by using thermometer. Make sure that both beakers have the same temperatures initially, and after that heat beaker A, 250 grams of water to 60 degrees Celsius, and beaker B 1000 grams of water to 60 degrees Celsius. After heating up to 60 degrees Celsius, we will come to a conclusion that beaker with 1000 grams of water requires more time to reach 60 degrees Celsius. And beaker A with 250 grams of water requires less time to reach 60 degrees Celsius. That means if mass is more, quantity of heat required is also more. If mass is less, then quantity of heat required is also less. See, if you take 250 grams of water, if you take 1000 grams of water, for 250 grams of water, the heat required is less, and for 1000 grams of water, the heat required is more. Hence, we conclude that Q increases, mass also increases, Q is directly proportional to M, and temperature is constant, and here the temperature that is constant is 60 degrees Celsius. The temperature is constant. Let it be equation number 1. And after some time, if you keep on providing the heat, mass is the same. Here you have 250 grams of water, here you have 1000 grams of water. Mass will be the same, but temperature increases. That means if quantity of heat is more, the temperature also increases. The mass is constant. Let it be equation number 2. Q is directly proportional to delta T and M is constant. Q is directly proportional to delta T, M is constant. From 1 and 2, we conclude that from equation 1 and equation 2, we conclude that Q is proportional to M delta T. If you want to remove proportionality symbol, we need to place a proportionality constant, and that is Q is equal to Sm delta T. If you want to write the equation in alphabetical order, then we write Q equals to Ms delta T, where Q is called heat, M is called mass, S is called specific heat, and delta T is called change in temperature. Now Ms delta T is equal to Q, S is equal to Q by M delta T. This is the equation for specific heat. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius is called specific heat. Specific heat, S is given by Q by M delta T. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius is called specific heat.